Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to use Apple Intelligence to summarize your emails. So Apple Intelligence has now been integrated in your email, where you can now see summary of your email instead of reading the whole email. So let me show you how to do this. So first you want to go ahead and open up your email. Now go to the email where you want to see the summary of it. So I'll go ahead and tap on this AliExpress. Now from the top here, you'll see this summary button. So go ahead and tap on this. This will now analyze the email and will show you a summary. So it's basically a weekly bestseller deals which are available, including discounts on home appliances, mother and kids products, and etc. You can basically download the app for some exclusive deals. So there you go guys, that is how to use Apple Intelligence to summarize your emails. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.